To install the MyFit using the latch system, begin by locating the top tether storage on the back of the MyFit. Open the compartment, and then, pulling down on the tether adjuster, loosen the strap. Unhook the tether clip and close the compartment. Place the MyFit on the vehicle seat and lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure the installation lines are parallel with the vehicle seating surface at all times during installation. Squeeze the recline adjustment handle on the front of the MyFit and adjust it to upright or recline position as desired. Check to make sure the installation lines on the MyFit base have remained parallel to the vehicle seating surface. Make sure the seat is in a locked position and that the bubble level is in between the lines for the appropriate installation mode. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the MyFit. Unzip the side of the seat pad and flip open. Lift the zip-on headrest pad out of the way. Pull forward on the seat bottom pad and storage cover to locate the latch storage compartment. Remove latch straps and make sure the strap lays flat across the belt path. Thread the latch connectors behind the seat fabric and out the side openings on the seat back. Loosen the latch adjuster strap to full length. Then close the latch connector storage compartment door and replace both seat pads. Now, locate the latch anchor bars in your vehicle. Attach both latch connectors to the anchor bars. While pushing down inside of the seat, pull up on the latch adjuster strap to tighten into the vehicle seat. Once latch tightening is complete, locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook and pull the adjuster strap to tighten the MyFit. Check your work by holding the MyFit at the belt path and pulling side to side and forward. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Check to make sure the bubble level is still between the lines for the appropriate installation mode. If necessary, loosen the latch and tether strap, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the MyFit is installed properly.